Hi everyone, I am Felicia Fox. Welcome to my channel, Food with Felicia Fox. Today is day 12 of the Carnivore Diet. I had to think there, I couldn't remember. So today's day 12. I'm gonna do 90 days carnivore and then 90 days vegan to see how each lifestyle helps me or hinders me, how it helps my body or not, and I'm going to track my progress every day. So one thing that I was thinking of talking about today is how food can either help or hinder your mental well-being. So this past year, and even longer than that, maybe 3 years or so, 5 years, a lot of things happen. Like in everybody's life, you know, stuff happens and you got to deal with it. And at times when you feel very alone, food could be a comfort, you know, and I get that. And sometimes in the past 3 to 5 years, year 3 or 5 years, sometimes I didn't make the right choices or good choices. I found myself in this past year just drinking wine, probably too much wine, but you know, I gave myself grace to get through the hard times, and I knew I would come out of it, and I am now, and I'm trying to make better choices. So that's why I chose to really do something drastic, like the carnivore diet. Because, you know, I do like veggies, I do like carbs, but I wanted to see if this would work for me in terms of getting out of the rut, feeling better mentally and physically. So, you know, so far so good. I feel like I have a purpose, something to look forward to every day. I do enjoy cooking, and I was experimenting today. I don't know if it worked, but I'll show you. I will show you what I did in a second. But what I really wanted to say was, if you're going through a hard time, that's okay. You know, you're gonna get through it. A person has maybe a circle of friends or family that they can rely on. And I do. I have an amazing circle of friends that I can rely on. You know, all of them are kind of going through their own hardcore stuff too. So it's best to be kind to one another. You know, you don't really know what's going on with somebody, so just be kind to one another. Be kind to yourself, especially. So eat the things that make you feel good. Okay, until you want to change, or until you feel like you've had enough and you want to do something different. So that's what I'm doing. So I did something different today. I made like a carnivore approved-ish flatbread with cottage cheese and eggs. So that method is coming up right now. Here is my attempt at making keto bread. So I have this high-speed blender, and I'm gonna add 2 cups of cottage cheese to the blender. A large pinch of salt and 4 eggs. And I'm going to put the lid on it and blend it till it's completely smooth. I have this foot squared dehydrator mat that's a silicone. I'm just going to pour it in till it fills the entire pan. And that takes 1 recipe for 1 full pan. shake it out so it goes corner to corner. And I'm gonna put this in the dehydrator on the highest setting. This is what it looked like out of the dehydrator. I just cut it into half and half again and so on. I'm going to fry these pieces up in a cast iron pan with some animal fat, like bacon fat, and we'll see how it turns out. Here's what those two pieces look like. I just flipped them over. So this is bacon fat. So this looks like a really nice sandwich coming up. Here's my two sandwich halves. I don't know if I'll do it this way again, but I was using my oven to make these beautiful meatballs, so I thought I would use the dehydrator, and it just took too long, I think. But we're just gonna just go for it. And it probably needed more time in the dehydrator, but I'm hungry because it's getting late. Anyway, I'm buttering this, and I have some beautiful ham and Swiss cheese. So I'm gonna do this. Let's put it here. A couple of pieces of ham, like that. And maybe this big piece of Swiss cheese. And then we're gonna flip it over. There. I'm gonna eat this right away. Here is my creation. I really don't think that I'll do the flatbread in the dehydrator again, just because it just took too long. But you know, if you have all day, you may as well give it a go. It's an option, right? But I'll probably just pop it in the oven next time. I'm gonna try that. And yeah, this looks really good. So ham and Swiss cheese sandwich, which, you know, I love sandwiches. You know, I do love bread, but since I'm not eating those pesky carbs, this is the next best thing. So it's really good. Actually, yeah. But, so happy day 12. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.